Little guy right there on that jerk bait. He little, that's for sure. Just a little one, but first bite. I got my wife on a crankbait. I asked her, do you want a jerk bait? She goes, I don't want a jerk bait. So I got her on a crankbait, but if I keep catching them on a jerk bait, she might have to go to a jerk bait. Anyway, it's Dalton, everybody out here with my wife, Mary Louise.
Finally made it out here.
She finally made it out here. She told me, she goes, we're going fishing.
Yep. I
said, okay, let's go fishing. So nice day for some fast moving baits right now. I don't know, it's probably around 8 or 8:30 in the morning. We got plenty of wind and cloud cover. Like I said, that was the first bite with a jerk bait, but hopefully that'll tell us something. But I'm gonna try to get her on some of those sunfish too. So
oh yeah,
we're gonna kind of do a lot of different things today.
Oh yeah, I thought I had somebody. There
you go.
He is.
There you go. Nice fat one too.
Yeah.
Just wheel him, slam him. There you go, you got him. Nice. Hang on, I'll help you.
Got him hooked really good. Look.
Yeah. She don't.
I don't like the treble hooks.
She don't like those treble hooks too much, guys. So.
But yeah, he's hooked good.
He's a slippery one. There you go. Just set that off to the side. I got her on a rock crawler. She got her a nice chunky one there. And
yeah, that's a good one. 2024. Can you believe it? My first bass of 2024. There is something wrong with that. I like it.
Got it?
Yep.
That crankbait will work.
Getting me some nice ones today.
Okay, here we go.
Ooh.
Yeah, you gotta grab them fast because they're slimy this morning. That's for sure. There you go.
Yeah, but they're getting hooked good.
There you go.
All right, got me another nice one on a crankbait. I kiss them too.
Sure.
Fish on. Yep.
Oh, you got a sunfish.
Oh, look at that.
Careful.
Oh, okay. Oh no. Come here. Come help me. I can't. I can't do it.
Yeah, this one's here.
I call them trouble hooks because they hook you, you're in trouble.
There you go.
Oh, but he's so cute.
Is that I think that's a bluegill.
Is he?
I think that's a bluegill.
He's very slimy.
I think it's a bluegill. Might be one of those red ears.
I can't tell.
I can't either.
All right, you go back in.
Rock.
We got tied on.
Crankbait.
Oh, okay.
Same as yours, just the brown one. Yeah, look at
Oh,
that.
nice.
There we go. Okay, so as you can see, we definitely are on a windy, cool day, morning, and I knew there was going to be some wind, but of course it said this afternoon. We're getting it this morning. So right now all we're doing is just taking these rock crawlers. My wife's got a white one. I got that Phantom Brown. Just slowly crawling it over the rock. She's having a blast with it. She even got a big old sun. I think it was a sunfish. You guys tell me what it was. It could have been one of those red ears too. I'm just not sure. But yeah, she got one on a crankbait. There it is.
throwing your fish at me again.
So, I caught this guy here right off the edge of this bluff. Here's what's going on. We found a little calm area right here. But the farther out we go, the more whitecaps we're hitting. Earlier we had a good crankbait bite, but the wind's beating us up pretty good out there. So we found this little calm area. Wasn't sure if there was any fish there. That first one there just gave us some hope. So there are some fish around here. We're just going to stay here for a bit before we wrap it up. It doesn't seem like the wind out there is going to calm down, but this is a pretty good area here. Well, the weatherman said there would be a little bit of wind. Well, it's more than a little bit of wind. This is what we've fished in the entire time we've been here. Found one little area. It was real calm, so we did a little bit of wacky rigging. Just got a couple of bites, not much. We're gonna call it a day. It's actually getting worse. A little more whitecaps, and we just couldn't find many areas that were wind protected. And when we did, not many bites. All our bites came around those rocks, throwing those crankbaits. And yeah, it worked out really good. Did you have fun?
Yes, I'm really happy to be out here, but this was not what I signed up for when I thought, let's go fishing, and then this is what we get.
Yeah, we were looking for a nice spring day.
Yeah, no, it was a lot of fun, and I caught fish, and yeah, it was really good. It was good being out here.
We had a good time. So, well, we appreciate you guys.
Appreciate you.
And we're gonna call it a day and get in the truck and put the heater on.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. We'll talk to you next time.